The same command creates a new model object identical to the selected one, copying all its properties. Make sure the Set Default Values Automatically option is enabled. You can run the command from the ribbon or by clicking Apply, but even faster is using the keyboard shortcut or radial menu. This reduces clicks and speeds up modeling. Recommended shortcut, SS. Select an object, for example, a beam or plate, and double press S to start creating a new element with the same properties as the original. The command supports almost all Tekla Structures object types, including components and plugins. If you run the command without first selecting an object, you'll see a No Object Selected message.